Oh no, shit, my boat. Oh my gosh, Bill's gonna fucking kill me. Shit. Oh my gosh, not if I kill you first. What the fuck? Who's down there? It's Penny, bitch. Sorry, what? Hi, my name's Penny, Pennywise, and what is your name, please? My name's George. You know that, you're holding the boat. It says SS Georgie on it. Does it? Oh yeah. Can I have my boat, please? No. Can you smell the circus, Georgie? Why would I be able to smell a fucking circus? The festival's not even on this year because of freaking Corona ruining everything. I know, fucking tell me about it. I was working at McDonald's and then Ronald came over and was like, sorry, you can't flip burgers anymore. We need to lose some staff and you're very shit at your job. And yeah, he just made me redundant there and then and I was a bit upset. And now I have to eat children for a living because that's what my dad said. And I don't fucking like eating children because you lot taste disgusting. Sorry, but have you quite finished? No, fucking not finished. Don't be so freaking rude. And then my dad was all like, you are going to eat children for a living. And I was like, I'm fucking not. I was like, fucking Hannibal Lecter could go do that. Like, why do I have to do it? So I take it you're not going to eat me then? No, I'm bloody well not. Why would I eat a child dressed as a banana? You're not even full of potassium, are you? Alright, calm down, sassy. You know, if your brother were here, he'd go so freaking mental for one, talking to a stranger, and two, dropping his boat he carefully made out of paper and wax, and you dropped it down the fucking drain. Do you like popcorn? What? Not a fucking hard question. Do you like popcorn, yes or no? Yeah, I suppose I like eating popcorn when a movie's on. Oh my god, snap. I freaking love popcorn. Isn't it like the best snack ever? Because you like pops. Are you okay? You're actually kind of scaring me. No, don't be scared of me, please, because when you get scared, I feed off your fear and then I have to eat you and I really don't want to fucking eat you. I'm really, really trying not to eat children at the moment. Then don't freaking eat me. Just give me back my boat and we'll go our separate ways. You see, I'd love for that to happen, but we both know that's not how this is going to pan out. So what you're trying to say is, you're going to eat me and you're going to fucking hate it, and I'm going to hate it because I'm going to be in a lot of pain. You see, if I had some numbing gel, I'd totally give it to you, but I'm not a fucking witch. I can't just conjure up some, like, you know, numbing gel or some shit, you know what I mean? No, I don't. Just don't eat me. It's not that hard. The thing is, I can hear the fear inside of you, and I just... do you know what I mean? I kind of really want to do that right now. Don't fucking touch me. I'm really sorry, but it's go time. No, I don't want to go. No, don't cry, because then I'm going to cry, and then it's going to be a complete mess, because I like to enjoy my food, even though you're fucking disgusting. I mean, look at you. And, you know, I can't do it. I can't. I see what you're making me gag. It's gag reflex, I'm sorry. When I cry, I can't deal with this right now.